In this video you will learn how to create an outline text effect, an amazing black effect, a toggle switch button animation and a neon intro. Let's start with outline text effect. This effect turns ordinary videos into interesting ones, and now I will show you how to create it. First, you need to download these fonts from the FontSpace website, the link is in the video description. After downloading, open CapCut and import your video. Before editing, my video looks like this. Select the text option and add your text. Go back, tap on Add Font and then select the plus button. Pick the font you downloaded and follow the same steps to include another one. Now select this font. After that, tap on the Style tab and adjust the size as you like. Keep the font size in mind for the upcoming steps in this tutorial. Position the text to your preference and then align it with your video. Now export the video and then tap on New Project and import that video. Tap on the overlay option and then select the original video. Enlarge it to fit the background video, after that select Remove Background option. Tap on Auto Removal and wait for the process to complete. Go back, select the text option and add the same text as before. In the Font tab, tap Add Font option and then select this one. Tap on the Style tab and then set the size to be the same as the size of the first font. Place this text in the same spot as the first one, then align it with your video. After editing, your video should look like this. Before we begin with the black effect tutorial, I would like to show you a great app that you can use for free. Big thanks to Milanote for sponsoring this video. Milanote is a handy tool for organizing your ideas and creative projects. It allows you to collect notes, images, videos and tasks all in one place, perfect for anyone who loves to think creatively. It's super easy to use. You can add notes and headings easily, and you can move them around and change their colors however you want. It's all about simplicity and giving you total control over your projects. And the best part, you can use it anywhere with the mobile version. I like that we can add columns where we can add more notes, photos or boards to make the project more organized. Adding photos is super quick, and from there you can crop, rotate or draw on them as needed. Milanote is the top choice for creative individuals in every area of expertise. With it you can create boards and choose from over 100 built-in templates available for every type of creative project, making project organization quick and easy. One of my favorite things is being able to add links. I like to add a link to a video that inspires me for my new video ideas. If you want, you can add any link, whether it's a video link or from any website containing project relevant informations. Plus, you can access that link anytime with just one click. I'm currently using Milanote to organize ideas for this tutorial, and the color palettes are really handy to getting inspiration for the neon text effect. It has a browser plugin, so you will be able to save a photo from any website and use it directly on your board. This is my favorite feature because I can find ideas very quickly and use them right away. The cool thing is that I can use arrows to connect my ideas, and making a to-do list has never been easier. When you are ready to share your work, you can invite your colleagues and clients to gather important feedback and collaborate with them in real time. Milanote is available for free with no time limit. Sign up using the link in the description and start your next creative project. If you enjoy using Milanote, let me know down below in the comments. Now I'm going to show you how to create a black effect like this one. Tap on New Project and then select your video. Before editing, my video looks like this. Tap on your video and then duplicate it. Go back to the first video and then select Adjust option. Decrease saturation, exposure and brilliance to achieve the desired tone for your video. Adjust the settings so that the black effect looks as natural as possible. You can also reduce the highlights and shadows to make the effect look better. If you want, you can adjust the graph like this. On the left side you can see the changes. When you're done, go back and select the second video. Select the overlay option and then align it with the first video. Tap on the overlay video and then select the remove background option. Choose auto removal and wait for the process to complete. For now, this is how the effect looks. To eliminate any video errors, you can use the custom removal option. Use the brush and eraser to fix mistakes in any frame, then wait for the process to complete. To make this effect even better, you can add a filter that you like the most. After editing, your effect should look like this. In this part of the video, you will learn how to create this effect. The first step is to go to settings and record the screen while using the toggle switch button. After that, open CapCut, tap on the new project and import two videos, the before and after versions of the same video. Tap on the second video, select the overlay option, then align it with the original video. Select overlay video and remove the first part like I did. Tap on it and then add the animation you like. Now go back and add the screen recorded video as an overlay. Select the transform option and then crop the video like I did. Now tap on blend option and then select filter. Go to adjust and adjust the contrast like I did. Adjust other settings to your preference and then save. Now remove the parts of the video that you don't need and position the video so that the toggle switch aligns at the transition point between these two videos. Tap on the video, then add fade in and fade out animations. After that, position it as you like. After editing, my video looks like this. In the next part of the video, I will show you how to create this amazing neon intro. First, you need to download the neon font from the FontSpace website. The link is in the video description. After that, open CapCut, tap on the new project and then select your video. Tap on text option and then add your text. In the font tab, select add font, then tap the plus button and add the font you downloaded. Select it and then position it as you like. Now tap on the Style tab and then select the Glow sub-tab. Adjust it to your preference and then select the color you like. To create a neon animation, reduce the intensity and add a keyframe at the beginning. After that, at the point where you want the glow effect to be visible, increase the intensity. At the point where you want a decrease of intensity to start, add a keyframe and then decrease it after a few frames like I did. Now you can go back and choose the in and out animations that you like. After editing, your neon animation should look like this.